guys, it's Summer. Welcome back to my channel. You guys have been asking me so much for a hair update, so that's what I'm gonna give you. It's been a little over 3 weeks since I bleached my hair for too long and it started stretching and falling out. Now, the color is definitely very faded right now and my hair looks kind of gross. I've been letting it air dry because I took a shower and I've been letting it air dry. This is what it looks like from the back. It's not great. I'm just brushing it out here so that you can see what it looks like when it's completely brushed. You guys have been commenting so many different products that I should try underneath my videos, and I'm not even sure where to start because I'm not even sure what they all do. I've been looking at them and most of them are saying protein treatments, deep conditioning treatments, things that'll repair the bonds of my hair. So I'm gonna let you know what I've been using. We're balling on a budget here, guys. So I like to use herbal essences, and I've been using their Color Me Happy shampoo and conditioner that are made for colored hair. I use a little bit of shampoo, and I mostly do I do my ends and then I scrub my scalp, but I don't pull, I just scrub it in, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense. And then I put in a good amount, a very good portion of the conditioner, and I put it throughout my ends. I even put it in the hair on the top because it doesn't even matter at this point. I put it in all of my hair because it's so dry. It just needs it at this point. So I put a good amount of this in and I just let it sit in my hair while I do the rest of my shower, and the last thing I do is rinse it out. After I get out of the shower, before I braid my hair, I use this argan oil. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Don't worry about it. But I use this spray and I spray it all over everywhere. And usually that would make my hair very greasy, but now it feels kind of as normal as it's gonna feel. It didn't make it greasy at all. I put the spray in and I comb it through and then I braid it and I leave it alone. And that's just how it is. While my hair is wet, it does still stretch in some spots. When it's dry, like it is right now, if I were to take pieces of it and pull on it, they just snap off. They don't stretch when it's dry, which makes sense. And a lot of you guys were saying don't brush. You were saying, why are you brushing your hair? Why did you brush your hair? Which, good point, valid. I should not have brushed my hair, but I was trying to follow the instructions on the dye as specifically as possible because I didn't want to have any more mistakes happen, and it did say to comb it through my hair, so I wanted to try, and as you saw, it didn't work well, but I combed it to the best of my ability. How thoroughly can I comb right now? Oh, I cannot comb thoroughly. Oh, I can comb through this. My hair is just coming out with it, which is okay. I've accepted it. I've been letting my hair mostly air dry and I've been wearing it into braids most of the time because, first of all, I don't want to be walking around rocking this look. So I've been doing 2 braids, not French braids. What are the ones that you braid them like the backwards and they're on top? What are they? Well, that's not French braids. Is that Dutch braids? I think it's Dutch braids. I've been rocking the Dutch braids for a long time. I wear them to work. I wear them to sleep. I usually wear them when I get out of the shower, but I wanted to give you guys a little hair update before I did anything with it. Here's where you're gonna be a little bit upset, mayhaps. I am gonna dye it again. I'm gonna dye it again. Now, I'm not gonna bleach it. I'm not gonna bleach it at all, obviously. Why would I do that? But I am gonna put dye in it because it's very faded, and I still have a lot of the color that I used during the other video. I have some left over. I have a lot left over actually. So I'm just gonna put it over this and we're gonna rock with it. So that's the update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for a video of me dyeing my hair again. Also, I do a lot of other things on this channel, so watch out for that. Because this channel will not just be me ruining my hair, unfortunately, or I would, because I love doing my hair all sorts of different colors, but I do want to have some hair on my head. Comment below when it fades next time what color I should do. And comment below other hairstyles that I can do to make this look better. I've been doing heatless curls too, heatless robe tie curls. So also comment below if you want a tutorial on how to do heatless curls, because they come out pretty slay, in my opinion. I like them a lot. I love heatless curls. I was doing them before my hair was damaged because usually I'm one to keep my hair very healthy, and I like doing heatless curls a lot better than doing regular curls with the curling iron. So anyway, I'm gonna go dye my hair. Hope your day, I don't know why I did that, I'm so sorry. I hope your day is beautiful. What? I hope your day is as beautiful as you are, and I'll see you when I dye my hair.